Okay, here we go. I have it on camera so you can do the react. You can go ahead and make the noises. I'm sorry, Cam. You're so cute. It's too cute, Cam.
I need to stop laughing. But
oh.
Curiosity is adorable.
Cam hates us all right now. But that's how Cam reacts to kissing noises. She's like, what are you doing? We did not set you up, Cam. We thought it was just cute. What do you think, right here? Right here is just so used to it all. She's like, she always tolerates when I set up antics like this. It's Cam that wasn't. It's Cam that's looking at me like she wants to kill me right now, frankly. She is looking at me like that, though.
She's twitching.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much. You want to say hi to everyone, Cam? She looks like she's not happy with me.